started off the day with earn by time. Current rate is $17 an hour, and this first order is a McDonald's going about 4 miles.
Hello, thank you for choosing McDonald's. Are you going to be using the mobile app today?
Give me this one ready for you.
Thank you. Ooh, I need a PIN for this? Really? This early in the morning? Oh, never mind. They just now messaged me saying, please don't ring the doorbell. Here is the PIN. I mean, I'll take that. Morning.
Camera recording.
Okay, so what was the point of that? Still open the door to grab it from me. Also, that was a no tip. Yeah, I'd rather you not open the door. I don't want to see your face. Total for that one was just under $4. That is awful. And we're going right back to McDonald's for a 3-mile order.
Hello, thank you for choosing McDonald's. Are you going to be using the mobile app today? Thank you.
Thank you. Another PIN, really? Why are we doing this?
Morning.
There you are. I needed a PIN number from you. That guy scared me. I did not see him around the bush. I thought I was gonna have to wait for him to come outside, but he was just chilling there. Anyways, total for that one was $6 and change. That's not bad. That order took maybe 10 minutes from start to finish. Maybe. Been sitting around for maybe 10 minutes, but finally got the next order. This is a different McDonald's. This one is going about 3 miles. Thank you. You too. Top floor we go. Total for that one was $6 and change. Next up is a Gravity Coffee. This one is going 6.5 miles. Thank you.
Yeah, you're welcome. You have a good day.
You too. Total for that one was $9, and got this right away. This is a Black Rock Coffee going 2.5 miles. Thank you. You too. Hand to customer. Oh boy. Morning.
Thank you.
Yep. Have a good day. And that's another no tip. Nice. What is it with people wanting to meet me just a no tip? Total for that one was just under $4. And looks like earn by time is dead because they just tried to give me 2 orders back to back that were going 14 miles. Just as I said that, they tried to give me a Taco Bell that was $9 going 16 miles. Okay, let's stop messing around, shall we? Next order up is a shop and deliver for Safeway. This is $9 going 5 miles, 2 items. I didn't see that they messaged me, but it says, if they don't have this brand, cancel the order. My grandma will have an out of body. It has to be this brand.
Grandma's sleeping. If I don't get this before she wakes up, I'm in big trouble.
Well, that was odd. First of all, how old is your grandma? Like, no disrespect to her, but she looked like a grandma to me. Oh, do I take this? I might just take this. This is really high mileage. Oh, I don't know. This is a shop and deliver for Safeway. $26 going 18 miles, only 1 item. Do I take that? That's actually really difficult. I think I'll take it. My main concern with this order is that the 1 item that they want is out of stock, because a lot of the mileage is actually getting to the store itself. So this could be a giant waste of time. Yep, just that. Almost missed it, but Apparently it's locked in the super expensive case. This one bottle cost $110. Anyways, got the next order pretty much right away. This is a Starbucks, $9 going 4 miles. Thank you. I like how in their notes it said, please don't knock or ring, it'll freak out the dog. Next order up is a Seize the Bagel. This one is back on Earn by Time. This is going 4 miles. Total for that order was $11. Ooh, okay, actually a good order. Next order is a Starbucks going just under 5 miles.
So sorry.
Thank you. Total for that order was, oh, I think my app crashed actually. What is that? I think that'd be $6 and change, something like that. Next up is a Mr. Maple Donuts. This one is $7 going 4.5 miles. Got this one right away. This is a McDonald's, $7 going just under 3 miles. That's a giant dog. There you are.
Thanks, man.
Yep, have a good day. That is one giant dog. Mostly fat, but still, it came running at me. Anyways, I think I'm gonna call it here. Current time is 9:28. Total will be on screen now. I love when people walk in the middle of the road when they see me coming. It's like you're trying to get me some bonus points. Anyways, that's gonna be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.